Hey, welcome to Revolution Throwing. My name is Virgil Vasquez, co-founder and 19-year professional baseball coach and player. So you just got your arm path trainers in the mail, and you're like, how do I use this thing? What do I do now? Where do I start? So you either got the Shorty or the Pro, and we're gonna work through some beginner drills just to get you started, all right? So if you take the Pro, there's 3 grips. There's the neutral grip, which has your hand butted up against the secured ball. You have the secured ball grip, and then you have the rev ball grip. So we're gonna start with the neutral grip, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you through a slow progression so that you can understand the rev and your healthy throw. All right, so you're gonna start with the neutral grip, and you're gonna start with your hand putting like a sword in a sheath, and your arm is inside of 90. So it's really important to have arm inside of 90 and not outside. So if this is a 90-degree angle, you want inside with the sword in, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your hips and then make an X in front of you. So we're practicing on returning back to the starting position, all right? So turn, X, and back. So we want you to do this like 5, 10 times. We really want you to understand how to return it, okay? So I'm gonna do it at you. So turn, you can see the X and back. Turn, X, and back. All right, so now that you're understanding that, you can do it a few more times, push pause. We want you to feel the rev. The rev is the most important part of having a healthy throw, and we really want you to find it and find it for yourself. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab the rev ball in your right hand, if you're right-handed, and the secured ball in your left hand, okay? And what we wanna do is we're gonna spin it really fast, all right? And I want you to feel right at the bottom here, it kind of gets heavy as it's turning. Okay, there's this turn, and what happens? That happens behind the back, and we call that the rev. It's the most important, it's the critical point. It's when the arm comes in and I'm gonna rotate. It's the cue to rotate the body, okay? So now that you felt that heaviness on the back, I want you to feel it behind you, okay? So we're gonna start with the same position here. Left hand with the secured ball, right hand rev ball, and then spin it and catch. Okay, I really want you to feel it get heavy in the back. I'm gonna turn around twice. Okay, I want you to feel it, catch, catch. Okay, that rev, that angle, that pendulum swing you're feeling behind you, the next step is when you feel that, rotate. Okay, that's the cue to rotate. So we're gonna do it twice like that. Rev, rotate. And you see that? That's throwing. It's super simple. The arm wants to throw itself. Okay, we'll do one more time. Rotate. And if you're having a little trouble, create a little momentum. The reason you're holding it in your left hand is to give it a little push, to create a little momentum so you can get it into the rev and rotate. Okay, so now the third step is now we want to connect how I return it to the beginning and my rev, and we're going to do it with the secured ball. Okay, you're going to start with hold the secured ball, the pipe in between your fingers, same starting position, okay, create a little momentum, and I'm going to count it out in the tempo for us. Stay with me, all right? So we go rev, 2, 3, rev, 2, 3. Stay with me, rev, 2, 3. So now you're feeling the tempo. You're understanding 1, 2, 3. And that rev, when you feel that, that's when you turn. You're really starting to understand. It's this tool, this arm path trainer we have created, is that you can understand your throw, okay? So you go rev, 2, 3, rev, 2, 3, rev, 2, 3, rev, 2, 3. And you start doing that, your body starts relaxing, you start creating tempo, you start understanding your throw so that you can throw from any position, anywhere on the field. So we appreciate having you here. You can go to our YouTube channel for some more advanced drills. Call us, we just really want to help you so everyone can have their healthy throw. Thanks.